Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon, such a beautiful afternoon. Saturday afternoon, I am in the mood of seeing this beautiful scene, downtown area. So I am in front of a piece of public art, and this is the little town. I have been here quite a few times, very often, during daytime and evening, and it's always inspired me. So today I was thinking maybe I should look for something fun and pretty. You never get disappointed into this town. Okay, let's keep on doing. So this is the early autumn time, and the leaves start to change color, but not totally. So there is something of a summer lingering, and it adds a lot of nostalgic, don't you think so? And the weather is so beautiful. I just came back from traveling, from road trip in California, Nevada, and some of the areas, the leaves already changing color. So it's really beautiful. And coming back to see my local area, it's equally beautiful. So I just want to enjoy this scene, and maybe a record of the color changing. So today is August 18. In a couple of days, it will be so much darker, completely red, and just a lot of cars passing by, and I am a little embarrassed and a little shy and a little bit noisy, but let's see the color. Look at it. So I am trying to avoid a lot of traffic place, too many people. So this is one of the public art display, and the city has put a lot of effort into promoting local artists, local art, and make this place as much as possible, make it beautiful, fun, and enjoyable. And I was just thinking, if we open up our eyes, beauty is everywhere, don't you think so? This is a 5 minutes drive from this is a 5 minutes drive from my home. If I take bicycle, something like 15 20 minutes biking, and it's already enough for me, more than enough for me to enjoy, to relax, to get content. So these couple of days, I don't know, for some reason I got a lot of notice of how to make video, and they have a lot of wonderful tutorials, something like how to make a short. You take 10 seconds of the leaf and then blow up. I mean, zoom in, and then you walk another 10 seconds, you walk, and then another 10 seconds of your walking front face, another 10 seconds of yourself back and turn around 10 seconds, something like it. And my original idea was coming here to practice some video making skills. But as always, yanghaiying cannot learn things. I always have trouble to follow a recipe, to learn from others. I like to do things my way. That's my thing. And so I decide this is pretty, and then I will shoot it pretty, and I will not stop, because it takes too much time, effort to make 5 seconds, make 10 seconds. And anyway, my video is long form video. It's just this kind of random blah blah blah, and I enjoy it. A lot of my friends enjoy it, and that's good enough. That is sufficient, right? And we always say we have to find the most beautiful tree, the most beautiful leaf, the most beautiful city, the most beautiful location. It's actually right in front of our eyes. This is one of the most insignificant tree here, but nevertheless, it has this unspeakable, uncompromised beauty and integrity. How beautiful. And it's just so fun to see the color change, right? From green to a little bit pinkish red to some pure red to some solid dark red. And it's even more interesting to see the color gradients and the color change. This makes me happy. Beauty is in the eyes of beholder. We do not need to go to another city to look for beauty. We do not need to go to another state to look for a beauty. We do not need to go to another country to look for beauty. It is everywhere. It is. It is just in our eyes if we decide to look for it. Right? I am in the downtown area, very, very, very center of the downtown. Luckily, it's not too noisy. Maybe I go to a less people's streets, not because I'm afraid of people, not because I'm annoyed by the noise. It's just because I want to be not bothered. Okay, let's go. This road seems has less people, so I am walking this way. And this city has a lot of these red leaf trees. I heard it's one family, one nursery business family donated all these trees. Sorry. So one local nursery business donated all these trees. Look at this flower. Oh, I do not have enough light, but still this is so pretty. Never seen this flower like this. That's a hidden treasure, don't you think so? Pink, yellow, orange, red. Let me take a picture of it. Oh, so pretty. Now use my macro lens, zoom in. Look at it. This one. Wow. Wow, what's the name of this flower? Look at this. Here, let me find you. So pretty. And so small. These flowers are tiny. They are tiny, teeny tiny little flowers. Oh, sorry. I have hard time to control the gimbal. Okay, we are walking towards the end of sunshine, and there are still, this is a downtown area, a lot of cars passing by. Wellness studio, there are stone gallery, and all this sort of stuff. Maybe I should do some practice of learning to do video. Okay, let's try it. Go. Oh, too fast. No, there's no focal point. Yeah, learning photography, learning cinematography takes time. It takes a lot of time. Let's see the geometric shape. The geometric shape of it. It's kind of fun. No, not too fun. Okay, as for myself, today I wore an autumn color green dress, but it's starting to be cold, and so many people, I'm not in the mood of doing an outfit of the day. So let's just enjoy the enjoy the weather, enjoy the sunshine. Nothing is important as long as you enjoy this moment. Everything can be beautiful. You use your smile, use your good spirit. You can lighten up the whole wide world. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye. So I just enjoyed strolling the city streets and doing nothing sometimes feels good. I look at the flowers, distracted by the flowers, and looked around to see people, to see couples pass by, and family chatting, and just all these not so important things, but also so important. Here is a beautiful Greek restaurant, and they are playing the music of Zorba, I think, Zorba.
I have voted.
Yes.
I think this time.
Here I am taking a break on the street bench and just realize my green color is actually the same as this black in contrast with yellow. My pink and green looks quite fitting, with the background earth, yellow and black. Don't you think so? This mirror makes a very good backdrop, I think. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.